Chris Brown, born Christopher Morris, born on May 5, 1999 in Tumpahanock, Virginia, is an American singer, songwriter, dancer, and actor who rose to fame in the mid 2000s and became one of the most recognizable figures in contemporary R&B and pop music, known for his smooth voice, energetic performance, and exceptional dancing ability. Brown's career has been marked by both immense success and significant controversy. Hello guys. Chris Brown grew up in a small town in Virginia, raised by his mother, Josie Hawkins, who worked at daycare center, and his stepfather. From an early age, Brown showed a strong interest in music, inspired by artists such as Michael Jackson, Usher, and Stevie Wonder. He taught himself to sing and dance, often performing in a local talent show and church here. His talent was evident early, and by his early teens, he was discovered by production a team that recognized his potential and helped him secure a record deal. In 2005, at just 16 years old, Chris Brown released his self-titled debut album, Chrisbrown. The album was commercial success, debuting at number 2 on the Billboard 200 chart. Its lead single ran it and became a massive hit, reaching a number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100. With his youthful charisma, impressive vocal ability, and dance skill, Brown quickly earned comparison to Michael Jackson, which significantly boosted his popularity. Following his debut success, Brown released his second album, Exclusive, in 2007. The album included hit songs like Kiss Kiss and With You, thus solidifying his place in the music industry. Around this time, he also began exploring acting, appearing in films such as Stomp the Yard and This Christmas, showcasing his versatility as an entertainer. However, Brown's career faced a major turning point in 2009 when he was involved in high publicity domestic violence incident involving his then girlfriend Rihanna. The incident led to legal consequences, widespread criticism, and significant decline in his public image. Many endorsements were dropped, and his reputation suffered greatly. Despite this, Brown continued to release music and gradually rebuilt his career over time. In this year following the controversial, Chris Brown released a several success album, including Fame 2011, which earned him a Grammy Award for the Best R&B Album. The album featured popular tracks like Yeah, 3X, and Look at Me Now. The latter featuring Mr. Lil Wayne, Mr. Carter's, and Busta Rhymes producer. This marked a significant comeback in his musical genre. Brown continued to maintain his presence in the industry with albums like Fortune 12, X 2014, Loyalty 2015, and Heartbreak on a Full Moon 2017. His music evolved over time, blending R&B, hip hop, and pop elements. He became known for releasing lengthy albums with numerous tracks catering to streaming audience and demonstrating his prolific output. In addition to music, Chris Brown is recognizable for his dancing skill, often compared to legends like Michael Jackson. His live performances are known for their high energy, intricate choreography, and strong stage presence. Thus, talent have helped him maintain a loyal fan base despite ongoing controversy. Throughout his career, Brown has collaborated with numerous prominent artists including Drake, Nicki Minaj, Tyga, and Justin Bieber. Thus, collaboration have contributed to his continued relevance in the music industry and expanded his reach across different audiences. Despite his professional achievement, Brown's personal life has often been turbulent. He has faced multiple legal issues over years, including probation violation and altercation, which have frequently placed him in the spotlight for negative reasons. Those incidents have been sparked ongoing debates about separating an artist's personal behavior from their artist contribution. Chrisbrown is also father and has spoken publicly about how fatherhood has influenced his perspective on life. His daughter reality inspired the title of one of these albums and marked a more reflective period in his career. He has occasionally expressed a desire to grow exchange, though public opinion remain divided. Musical Brown, he sold millions of records worldwide and earned numerous awards and nominations including Beats Award, Billboard Music Awards, and the Grammy Awards. His ability to consistently produce hits and adapt to changing musical trends has kept him relevant for over a decade. In the recent years, Chris Brown has continued to release new music and collaboration with contemporary artists. Projects like Indigo 2019 and Breeze 2022 highlighted his continued creativity and dedicated to his craft. Songs from Das album have performed well on streaming platforms, providing that he still holds a strong position in the modern music landscape. Thank you guys for listening to me. My name is Gakwa Fisto. God bless you, Charmaine. In the next biography of celebrity, tell me in the comment the celebrity you want to talk about.